I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how and when to start drawing your Fibonacci retracement tool. It's going to take me like 2 minutes, so just sit tight. All right, so these are my normal Fibonacci retracement tool settings. The Fibonacci retracement tool is the third icon down on the left-hand toolbar. I put a star next to it because I use it every single day. My settings are as follows. These are the ones I stick with because they keep your charts the cleanest and they're the most useful. But because people have been asking, what I want you to do is add an extra one and give it the number 0.33. Then just click OK. Today's move on German 40 was absolutely textbook perfect, beautiful. Oh my God. Here is today's trades. 2 sell positions. Second one I closed early. We had this monstrous bearish momentum down, and people are always asking me, how do you know when it's going to start retracing? That's why we've added the 33% rule. The momentum move that breaks the previous structure is what you want to measure from top to bottom in a bearish move. So you start to draw your fib tool and you wait until price has reached the 0.33%, which means of that move, it's gone backwards or up in price 33% of that move. And your entry price is either the 0.5 or the 0.618. I prefer to split the difference and put it right in the middle. But because this move continued down, that means that you continue taking your Fibonacci retracement tool on every single candle that closes until a retracement move starts going to the 33%. Then you can do one of 2 things. I prefer my way, that's the easy way, is to set a pending limit order. You set a pending order, splitting the difference between the 0.5 and the 618. Your stop loss is between the 618 and the 1, and your take profit is going to be the previous low. That's going to give you a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward trade. This is the best way to do it, but if you want to wait for a rejection candle, wait for candle to close, stop loss above the previous structure, again, take profit is going to be the previous low. That's going to get you a 1 to 1.8, depending on the size of the bearish candle that is your trigger entry. So that trade played out absolutely beautifully today. Then price started to retrace again, taking my fib tool from the top of the move to the bottom of the move, setting in a limit order after it's reached a 0.33 retracement, entering in a short position, stop loss between here, take profit here. But because it was getting towards the end of the day, I wanted to be out of that trade, so I closed it early. But as you can see, the price is moving to where it wants to go. It's either going to break the structure or create a double bottom. Either way, we're safe. Today was so perfect, I couldn't resist making a video on this. This is Fibonacci trading at its finest. If you guys have more questions on this specific topic, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you have an amazing Halloween, eat lots of candy, and be safe tonight. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.